If your customers removed your logo today, would they still recognize your business? That's a harder question than most business owners realize, because many businesses offer similar services, similar promises, and similar marketing messages. This creates a problem. When everything sounds the same, customers struggle to see a difference. And when customers cannot see a difference, they often make decisions based on price, not value, not trust, and not loyalty. That makes it harder to stand out and harder to build long-term growth. This is where things change. In today's crowded market, being better is important, but being different may be even more important. The problem is simple. Many businesses compete in the same way. They copy competitors, they follow the same trends, and they use similar marketing language. Over time, everything starts to blend together. Customers see the same promises, the same claims, and the same offers. This creates a challenge. When businesses look alike, customers have fewer reasons to choose one over another. And when there is no clear difference, price often becomes the deciding factor. That is why many businesses struggle to stand out. Not because they are bad, but because they sound like everyone else. In a crowded market, similarity is easy to ignore. The reason is simple. Most customers are not comparing every detail of your business. They are looking for reasons to remember you and reasons to choose you. This is where differentiation becomes important. A business becomes different when it stands for something clear, not when it tries to do everything. Think about the businesses you remember most. They usually have a clear message, a clear personality, or a clear way of helping customers. That makes them easier to recognize and easier to recommend. For example, two companies may offer similar services, but one communicates a unique approach, a unique experience, or a unique point of view. That difference gives customers something to remember, because people rarely remember businesses that blend in. They remember businesses that give them a reason to care, and that is often what separates recognizable brands from forgettable ones. This is where smart businesses take a different approach. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, they focus on being meaningful to the right people. They communicate a clear message, they develop a recognizable style, and they consistently reinforce what makes them different. Think about the businesses you follow most closely. You probably know what they stand for, you know what to expect, and you can often recognize their content before you even see their name. That is not an accident. It is the result of consistency. For example, some businesses become known for exceptional service. Others become known for expertise. Others become known for a unique customer experience. They are not always the biggest, and they are not always the cheapest, but they give customers a clear reason to remember them. That is what makes standing out easier, and that is what makes marketing more effective over time. So here's the lesson. Being better is valuable, but being different is often what gets remembered. Customers see countless options every day, and most of them look very similar. The businesses that stand out give people a reason to notice them, a reason to remember them, and a reason to choose them. Because when customers clearly understand what makes you different, marketing becomes easier, recognition grows faster, and loyalty becomes easier to build. If you enjoy these marketing insights, subscribe for more videos on branding, differentiation, trust, and business growth. Thanks for watching.